EClink ECcloud Tutorial. Tutorial number 43. Registering a router in EClink and creating links. What are the requirements for a EClink access? Your controller should have ECcloud license. EClink license for the router. You need a router purchased from EClink. The ECPv2 controller and the router need internet access. And the user need a PC with internet access. Please contact EClink sales and get activate your EClink license by providing the serial number and MAC address for the router you are using for EClink access. Serial number and LAN MAC address is found backside of your router. Once your EClink license activation has confirmed from sales, log into the ECcloud. There you have the list of your site. Select the site you want to connect the EClink. Then click the EClink option on the top menu. There you will open the page where you can see the list of sites which are compatible for registering the router. Select the site and fill out the router's serial number, LAN MAC address, and finally the router password. Here you have to use the new password you have changed during your router first use. Do not use the default password of the router. Once you have entered all the details correctly, click on Register. There you have completed registration of the router. Then refresh the page and your registered router status will be appeared. If you see the status not activated, check your router RMS setting. Router RMS setting cannot be enabled via EClink. How to enable the remote management system? Log into the router IP address and click the status and then go to Overview. There you will find the remote management system. Click on the setting button and enable the connection type and leave the host name and port address as default. Then save and apply the setting. Connection type should be enabled but the host name and port should stay as default setting. Host name and port may vary depending on the router model, so please do not change them. Once you have correctly set the RMS setting, you can test the connectivity status of the router. Now go ahead and refresh the ECcloud EClink page. There you will see the router will be online. How to unregister a router from ECcloud? Select the site from the list and click on the Delete button below the registered router. There you will see the notification for your unregistration. How to create the web user interface to the router? Select the site on the page and then select required time duration and click on Create button. Then refresh the page. There you will see created link. Created link will be expired after the selected time duration. You can send the link via email or text file to give the remote access to the router. How to create a LAN web interface link to the EClink controller for remote access. A remote LAN access link can be created to a EClink device. In order to create the link, you should create the device first on the ECcloud EClink page. And then an access link can be created for the particular device. Copy the device name and paste it. Then enter the correct IP address of the controller. You have to select HTTP and port number 80 as default, then click to create. Then refresh the page. There you will see the created device. Then if you click the show button, you can't see any link because a link has not created for the device yet. Select the duration and click create button and refresh the page after 3 to 5 seconds. Then you will see the created link at the bottom. You can use the link to give remote access to the EClink controller. What to do if you can't remember the new password of the router? Find the correct password if you have saved your password, or reset the device and create a new password if you forgot the password. To create the new password, power up the router and use a pin to hold the reset button for 5 seconds, then all setting will be revert to default. Then you can use the default username and password from the backside of the router to log in again and change the password. Thank you for watching the video. This video presented by Nkumi. For more information please visit our website www.mcomb.com.